Welcome to the Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to add a lock screen on the iPhone iOS 17. So the easiest way to do this is swipe down to the middle of the iPhone and then one long hold press on the lock screen. Now to add a new lock screen you can press this plus blue button here, or you can swipe to the left and then press this blue button here. Then you can choose different features ones here, or weather, and go through. Then you can choose or at the top here you can choose a photo shuffle, live photo, emojis, and many others. So let's say we want this featured one here. We can select it, then we can press add, set as wallpaper pair, then we can select it, and this is your new lock screen. And at any time you can swipe down, press it, and change the lock screen as you wish. So that's how to add a lock screen on your iPhone in iOS 17. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.